Good evening, my name is Linda Collins and I am the chorus teacher here at Creighton Middle School, and I am so excited to walk you through some of the information for my course. And at the end of this presentation I will give you any information you may need to contact me if you have further questions. So this is chorus class. Okay, I have 3 levels of chorus, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, and I'll be talking through each of them kind of at the same time because most of the requirements are the same. So first thing, I've got 8th grade advanced chorus Monday through Friday from 9:15 to 9:55, and that can be accessed in the live class channel, which I'll be showing you in just a minute. 7th grade intermediate chorus is also Monday through Friday from 10 o'clock to 10:40. And then 6th grade beginning chorus is Monday through Friday from 11:35 to 12:15. As I said, you can access that in the live class channel. So if you're in their team, they would simply go to their team. I will use 8th grade as my example. They open their team, and you can see over here on the left is live class. So when they're ready to join the class, they simply go and click here and join the meeting. Often the meeting has been started before I get there, but students are waiting in the lobby for me to let them in. So that's how the students get to their classes. So our course topics are pitch, rhythm, music vocabulary, the elements of musical performance, genres of music, team building, singing in 2- and 3-part harmony, choreography, solfege, sight singing, and more. Obviously things are a little different right now with our current situation, but we are still singing, we are working on parts, and we are hopefully working towards having some sort of virtual performance for you as well. So there's a couple of different ways we are graded. We have formative and summative assignments. Each count for 50% of their grade. So my formative assignments are daily participation grades, different assessments, attendance checks, and exit tickets. I require students to put something in the chat when they log into class to let me know that they are present, and then often I will have them do an exit ticket. These are not always counted for a grade, but often they are. And then some of our summative assessments would be any sort of performance that we may get to have, rehearsals, singing quizzes. They will normally have some sort of singing quiz weekly, whether it's a sight reading quiz or some sort of other quiz based on the parts that we've been working on. And then they have a vocabulary quiz pretty much weekly, especially for these first few weeks. Those may vary slightly, but in general, they'll have one of those weekly. So if you need more information about course information and frequently asked questions, I'll show you where to locate that in our team. And if you're ever wondering about your child's grades, you can always check those in PowerSchool. But let me show you quickly how you can get to the course information. So if you go back to their team on Teams, you can see here I've got a course information and frequently asked questions channel. So if you're to click there, obviously you probably need your child to help you get in there. You're going to go in here to the course info and frequently asked questions under files up here at the top. And here when you open this up, you can see my course requirements are posted here for you to read. You can also look at additional information about attire when and if we are able to get back to live performance. There are some attire requirements. And then also some frequently asked questions and IT questions if you ever need assistance with IT or if you're having trouble with the computers, things like that. There's some frequently asked questions that you can go in and take a look. Who do you contact? Here's a phone number you can contact if you're having trouble with the laptop, where to find assignments, notes, other resources. Class notebook is something that we do utilize as well for their sheet music. Grades in PowerSchool, those are student questions, and then you've also got some questions here for parents, who to contact if you have questions and things like that. If your child needs additional help, I am available every day between 2 o'clock and 3:45, and they would simply go to the RTI channel. Again, back at our team, there's a special channel dedicated to RTI. They would click on that channel and join the meeting just as if they were joining a meeting in the live class. However, this would be specifically for RTI. Your child would simply need to contact me and let me know they didn't need assistance, and then I would set up a time to meet with them. This would also be a great time if they've missed a quiz or a sight reading test or anything like that. They can come and make that up at that time as well. If they did miss class, there are two different ways they can get the information. Every class is recorded and then uploaded to Stream, which they can access in the live class channel. Again, I'll show you that in just a moment. Or at the end of each week, I've uploaded all of my PowerPoints that I use to teach for class, so they can also access those. So in order to get to the Stream, they're going to go back to this live class channel. And you can see here is one long stream. So it may take a little bit of searching to get back to it. And if you have trouble finding it, please feel free to reach out and I can always send the video directly to the child via the chat or an email. So for example, here we've got chat from today and here is the class meeting from today's class. So they would simply need to click on it and they could watch all of today's class. If that doesn't work, you can also go here to Files. Excuse me, I'm sorry, in the general channel, go to Files, and you will see a folder labeled Lessons, and then that is all of the PowerPoints from the week. I do wait until Friday to upload those, so if your child misses class on Wednesday, this would not be available until the Friday after school, but these are all of the PowerPoints from that week. So cameras are required to be on or off depending on the day. At this moment, I'm randomly selecting 5 students to have their cameras on. So those 5 students would be required to have their cameras on for the duration of class. However, if I make the decision to ask your child to turn their camera on, that is a requirement that they would adhere to. I cannot count somebody present simply by being logged into the class. I need to know that they are actively participating in what we are doing in order to give them credit for being present. That's all of the information I have to share with you this evening. Please feel free to contact me at any time. My email is linda.collins@richland1.org. You can always ask your child to send me a message through Teams in the chat, or feel free to give us a call at the school, 803-738-7224, extension 3703. I am very, very excited to be with your students this year. I know that this is a little bit of an odd situation, and I know that we are working through it together, but I'm already very excited to be working with your kids. Some of them I had last year, and I'm just so excited that they are back this year. And I know we're going to be able to make some great music together, even if it's virtually. So please, like I said, don't hesitate to reach out with questions, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much.